So you want to go to the Maldives, huh? Well, guess what? It is far away. It's a long way to go to get there, and it's one of those destinations that everybody knows as being super duper expensive. And I'm not going to lie, it can be really expensive, but it doesn't have to be really expensive. And one of the reasons that I got into using airline miles and hotel points is because I wanted to be able to enjoy experiences like this, but I wasn't willing to spend that much money. I wasn't going to spend years saving up and earmarking funds for this one crazy international trip that I'd hopefully maybe do someday. I just wasn't willing to do that. So instead, I learned how to leverage credit card rewards in order to get to places like that. Because for instance, if you want to go to the Maldives, one credit card could get you enough points for business class. We're talking a flatbed seat. We're talking dine on demand food. We're talking champagne and fine wine and spirits on the flight, lounge access when you get to the connecting airport where you can kick back and eat and drink for free as well with the points from just one single credit card. And then you're like, okay, but it's expensive to stay in the Maldives. I've seen how expensive those places are, and I'd like to be in one of those overwater bungalows, which are out of this world expensive, right? Well, guess what? One more credit card could get you enough for 3 free nights in an overwater bungalow in the Maldives. One card, 3 free nights. So, all right, you open one card to get there in business class, one card for 3 free nights. Open a third card, get yourself back. 3 credit cards could get you in comfort and luxury to the Maldives and back, and 3 free nights. Now, guess what? If you're playing in two-player mode, if you got a husband, wife, boyfriend, girlfriend, partner, whatever it is, who is playing this game with you and looking to travel with you, he or she could open the same hotel credit card and get 3 free nights in their name. Put those together and you got yourself 6 nights in an overwater bungalow in the Maldives. And in fact, with the 2 credit cards that I'm talking about there, you'd have free breakfast every day and a free cocktail hour in the afternoons each day, which is huge in the Maldives because food and drink is expensive in the Maldives. It's crazy. But you learn how to use these points and miles and leverage them to incredible value and use the benefits that come with the credit cards, and that trip to the Maldives suddenly becomes a very real possibility. Now I'm talking about flying in luxury and comfort. Maybe that doesn't interest you. Maybe you're like, hey, listen, I'm fine flying in economy class, totally comfortable, totally good with that. I just want to get to the Maldives. Well, one credit card to give you enough points potentially for a round trip economy class ticket to the Maldives. So just one new card could get you round trip to the Maldives, and then a second card could get you 3 free nights in an overwater bungalow at a very nice resort in the Maldives. So how do you do it, right? Well, the key is learning which points and miles you want in order to fly on the airlines that you want to fly on from the point where you're beginning to the point where you're looking to get to. So there's a little bit of study, a little bit of peeling back some layers to this to learn how to get this done, to learn how to make this happen. But when you do, it's really worthwhile. Let me give you the hotel example first. Let me lead you with that. So one new credit card right now, currently there's a new credit card, a new Hilton credit card that'll give you enough points for 2 free nights, plus they give you 1 free night certificate every year with that credit card. So you could use your free night certificate and the points to book yourself 3 nights in an overwater bungalow at the Conrad Maldives. Now, if you're not familiar with the Conrad Maldives, maybe you've seen pictures of their underwater restaurant, which looks amazing. Looks really cool. It's all glass. You're underneath the water watching the sharks and things swim by. And of course, it's a gorgeous, beautiful resort. Go ahead, look up the cash prices, and I'm telling you, one credit card can get you 3 free nights there. And then, like I said, another credit card you would need in order to get there and back. And there's a number of different options for that, depending on where you are, because the airlines that make sense for you might be different than the airlines that make sense for me, depending on where you're based. But by doing a little bit of reading and learning, you can learn about the options to do that. Now, maybe you're retired. Maybe you got a bunch of extra time on your hands. Maybe you're looking to put together some crazy trips around the world. Well, with 2 credit cards, I could tell you how to fly. For example, this is just one example, but this gives you an idea of how much travel you can get. With 2 new credit cards, I could show you how to get from New York to Amsterdam, to Athens, to Istanbul, to the Maldives, to Sri Lanka, to Bangkok, to Beijing, and back to New York. I kid you not, entirely in business class, using the welcome bonuses from 2 credit cards. 2 new credit cards could get you in business class all the way around the world to all of those destinations in one single trip. So all you got to do is learn how to do it. And of course, that sounds maybe easy, maybe intimidating. The truth is it's going to take some time to study and learn. And so you're going to read below about some of the stuff that you need to know in order to make that trip a reality. But what I'm telling you is one of these incredibly expensive destinations that might seem like it's out of reach for you definitely is within reach. You just need to learn how to do it. Not everybody's going to do that. And so that's what creates opportunities for people like me and you who are willing to invest a few hours, a few weeks, a few months in learning how to do this so that we can leverage it to get incredible value out of it. So, all right, that's enough for me. Read on below here, check out how you can make it happen, learn a little bit about it, and then go to thefrequentmiler.com/subscribe. That's where you're going to find all the different ways to subscribe to our email list, our podcast, where you can join our Frequent Miler Insiders Facebook group. All of this totally free. We offer all of these resources totally free. There's no catch. There's no nothing you have to join or pay for with us, I should say. You're just going to go ahead and subscribe to get emails however you like them. Once each day, once a week. You want to join our Facebook group or you want to follow us on Twitter. However it is you'd like to connect and learn more about this stuff, we're happy to have you subscribe any way that it makes sense for you. So go to thefrequentmiler.com/subscribe and read the rest of this right here. Read down below this video, because I'm going to show you how to make this Maldives trip a reality. And what I hope that shows you is if I can show you pretty simply how to get to one of the most exotic and expensive destinations in the world, we can help you get just about anywhere you can imagine. So, all right, stop dreaming, start reading, start learning, and let's make these dream trips an easy reality.